Hi, my name is Mallory Labick. I am a financial advisor at Fregasso Financial Advisors, and I'm here to help anyone who needs assistance with their financial planning. But I do focus on those who are maybe moving through a divorce or have recently lost a spouse and are taking on financial responsibilities for the first time. In this particular blog, I'll just be discussing three different ways that we see life insurance proceeds used to benefit the surviving spouse. One of the most common reasons life insurance proceeds is used is to pay down significant debt. And in many cases, that means a mortgage. Depending on your situation, you may have other debts that need to be paid down as well. But by reducing these debts or eliminating them entirely, you're benefiting that surviving spouse who may no longer have a significant income stream that they did have previously. The second reason why life insurance proceeds can be used is to fund education costs for your children or for your grandchildren. This can be planned for well in advance, but it gives you sort of that peace of mind knowing that if something happens to you, those costs are covered and your kids will be okay in terms of education going forward. Finally, the last thing that we'll discuss today, although there are many other reasons why life insurance is used, is to offset a potential loss of income. So if you lose a spouse and that spouse was making a significant salary, you no longer have that salary to rely on. So these life insurance policies are purchased to offset the potential loss of that income stream. The proceeds are then invested with an advisor like Fregasso, and an appropriate withdrawal strategy is determined so that you can fund your living expense needs for the rest of your life. So I know I'm throwing a lot at you. This can be very challenging to handle on your own, and each situation is quite unique. So if you have any questions, I am absolutely happy to assist you. Please feel free to reach out anytime. Thank you for tuning into this episode of the Fregasso video blog, and have an excellent day.